So you're trying to learn about importation, like importing from China, and then you've been hearing about this app a lot, which is 1688. So you still don't know how to like maneuver yourself on this app. Yes, some of the words are written in English, but still some people still find it hard to like use the app or anything. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you like tips and tricks on how to use the app better, like a pro, guys. So if you are new, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we talk about business, importation, and how you can make money online, guys. So I do procurement and I actually know what I'm saying, guys. So you should definitely subscribe to the channel so that you can stick around and find out more information in case I drop next video, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So the first tip I want to actually like teach you about is that when you want to like find a product here on 1688, I always advise people to like use picture search instead of them just like searching online. So let me just show you something right now. So let me move this. So I do advise people to like picture search instead of them to just like putting the name of the product here and just like searching manually, guys. I don't advise that for people. So for example, now let me just show you something. So let's say you want to buy, for example, let's say track lights. So as you can see, there's track lights here. So you can see there's track lights here. So let's just click on track lights. So let's say we type manually, guys. So we type track lights. So I want to show you something right now. So it's loading good. So as you can see here, these are some pictures of track lights, guys, as you can see. But I will show you that you won't actually have more information about this product here. And also, like as you can see there, like you can't really see more supplier here. So let's just click on just one product. So let's click on the first one. So this is the supplier page. So as you can see here, but the track light like you pressed, you can't actually find it out of all these products. So these are the product of the supplier, like the supplier listed, guys. So you can't actually find the products right here. So now let me show you the trick, guys. So let's go back. Let's go back. Oh, I should have saved the picture of the track light, but let's just use another product. So if we click on this button right here, so let's say we click on this button right here. Good. So now let's just say you want to buy this pouch. So let's just say you want to buy this pouch exactly. As you can see here, you get more information about the products. So you get more information about the product right here. So you might not actually know, but I'm going to show you the more information that you are getting. So firstly, there is something, as you can see here, says 12k sold, 1k sold, 1k sold, 2k sold. So let's scroll more. So you'll be seeing more and more. You can see here 300 sold. So let me just highlight it, guys. See, 300 sold. So you get more information about the products. And also one thing is that if you just click on the product, so let's just say we click on this one right here. So if you just click on the products, let's say you want to buy that product exactly. So if you just click on the products, it will take you straight to the product page, as you can see. So this is the product page. There's no like going to one supplier page, then finding the product exactly that you click on. So you go through the like straight to the product page. So that's one of the like tips you can actually use so that you can find more supplier and you can find your supplier quickly, guys. So that is one thing. Another thing I also want to say is that you can actually find like legit supplier on 1688 without actually like breaking your head, doing a lot of like searching, a lot of, understand all those stress. You don't have to go to all those stress. There's something that you can actually do that you can actually find a legit supplier quickly. So now, so as you can see here, so these are different type of suppliers. So if you don't actually know the kind of suppliers to buy, like let's just say you are a beginner, it's not even saying let's just say you are a beginner, so you don't actually know the supplier to buy from, you are overwhelmed by this a lot of suppliers, guys, because these are thousands of suppliers. So I'm going to be showing you like a simple trick on how to know like the best suppliers to buy from in all this category. So one thing is that, let me just highlight it for you. So any supplier that you see this satisfied merchants or this bull sign there, so you can actually buy from this supplier, because it shows that this supplier, they are legit. This supplier are manufacturer. They are different from this supplier. As you can see here, there's no bull sign here. There's no bull sign here or satisfied merchant. There's no bull sign here or satisfied merchant. So you see what differentiates this supplier and this supplier is that, you see this one, this person can just be an ordinary supplier, which means by just buying the product from a warehouse, then listing the product on 1688, then selling to we guys like the end users, or we that we also want to do business, guys. So this person can just be like a middleman, you get me? So let's just use middleman. So this person can just be like a middleman. But if you see a supplier that has this satisfied merchant, guys, or this bull sign, it shows that this person is actually a manufacturer, guys, which means like this person has a company that they are producing this product from. This person has a company, guys. So that is one of the best advantage of 1688, guys. So you can actually see this thing quickly and just buy from the supplier. You don't actually need to be stressing yourself, because you're actually getting a good product and a quality product, like I said, because the supplier is a manufacturer, guys. And before you have this tag on your account or 1688, they will have to verify you. You have to go through all this necessary procedure and all before you get this verified tag, guys. So that's one of the best advantages. So you can easily just know a good supplier by just looking at their store, guys. So that is one thing. Another thing is also is that if you also see a supplier that has this tag, I'm looking for it. Okay, good. If you also see a supplier that has this tag, as you can see a super factory, you can also get products from this supplier, guys, because this supplier is also very much reliable. So that is one of the like easy trick to actually find a good supplier that you are looking at. So another thing is also is that, let's just say you want to buy this pouch exactly. As you can see here, this look exactly like the pouch, but this is not the pouch exactly, and this is the one you want to buy, but you are scared to buy from this supplier because you don't actually know how to check the necessary things to look for to know a legit supplier, guys. So you don't actually know what to check and you want to buy this thing exactly. So what you just need to do is that you can actually save this picture, just screenshot and save this picture, and then just message the supplier up. So message the supplier up and ask if the supplier has this picture that you save. So if the supplier has this picture that you save, the supplier will let you know that, oh, I have these pictures and everything. Then you can just tell the supplier to like send you the link for the picture so that you can actually purchase online. So you can actually purchase from it. So that is just it. And also that brings us to tips number 3, guys. So the tips number 3 I also want to advise you is that if you don't ever want to get scammed on 1688, guys, never make an offline payment. Yes, never make an offline payment, guys. So what is offline payment? Let me show you an offline payment. So let's go back. Good. So let's go to this chart setting, guys. So when I say offline payment, let's just click on this supplier right here. So what I mean by offline payment is that, as you can see here, I already purchased this product already. Very quality product. In fact, if you want this supplier, just let me know. The supplier sells leggings, and this leggings is very thick, very thick. So let's continue with our video, guys. So let's say I want to buy products. Let's say I want to buy these leggings from this supplier. So, and then you just message the supplier up. Oh, I want to buy this stuff from you. Then you ask the supplier to send the supplier account. So there's something we call Alipay. So I don't know if you are familiarized with Alipay. So Alipay is like the payments method we use. Yes, we can actually use our debit card now to buy from China, but I will advise you not to do that because it's not profitable at all. It's not profitable. So the current rate is around like 205 to 210. In fact, let's just say 200 to 210. Depend on your vendor, guys. Depend on your vendor. So if you are buying using your debit card, you are going to be spending like, they're going to be charging like 400 or 500 plus per just 1 yuan. So that's way too much. So I would advise you to find a vendor. So if you don't know any vendor and you want to buy like yuan, you want to buy yuan, guys, which is Chinese money, then just message me on WhatsApp, guys. So I will put my WhatsApp on the screen or around this video, or just check the description. You will see my WhatsApp details there. Just message me and I will help you to get your yuan, because I also sell yuan, guys. So like I'm saying, so when I say offline payments, is you just messaging the supplier or that, oh, send me your Alipay, let me just pay to you. So don't ever do that in your life, guys, because even if the supplier is a manufacturer and you see that manufacturer tag or you see that super factory tag and you actually do that, you can still get scammed. So never ever do that, guys. Always pay directly. So when you pay directly, it means that your products will be like 1688 will be the middleman between your products and the, I mean, 1688 will be the middleman between your supplier and you. So you will never get scammed. In fact, if the supplier doesn't deliver on time, you can just ask for a refund. So that's one of the benefits of you buying directly instead of you just messaging the supplier up and just like buying through that method. So that is like unsafe method. So never ever do that. So guys, so this is one supplier page, guys. So I want to show you another tip and trick, guys. So there's something we call MOQ when we are buying. So MOQ means minimum order quantity. So in China, as you can see, like they do factories, like most of them are factory owned. So they have like they deals with a lot of order, which is a large numbers of order. So one thing about it is that as much as you buy, the prices reduces. So now let me show you something, guys. So as you can see here, this product has three prices. There's 12 yuan, there's 11 yuan, and there's 10 yuan. So how to differentiate these prices is that, so you see this thing that I say yes is one. It says greater than one. So if you are buying one pieces, you are going to be spending 12 yuan. So that is it for MOQ. So that's the amount for these pants, these joggers pants, guys. So now let's say, so let's say you are buying over 100 pieces, guys. You are going to be spending 11 yuan per one. So instead of 12 yuan, the supplier has already give you 1 yuan, guys. So that is one of the benefit of you buying on 1688 and you buy from a super factory, guys. As you can see here, this supplier is a super factory. So as you can see here, if you are buying over 100 pieces, the price reduces to 11 yuan. Here, if you are buying over 1000 pieces, the price reduces to 10 yuan. So that's one of the things about like Chinese supplier is that they always reduce the price if you are buying a large quantity. And also, you can still not buy it from this price, guys. You can still not buy it for this price. Yes, so there are ways you can do it. So the first way is that you messaging the supplier, like telling the supplier that, oh, like you want to buy, let's just say 1000 pieces, but you don't have 10 yuan per one. You are going to be paying the supplier 8 yuan per one. The supplier might actually agree and help you to modify the price for you so that you can buy for 8 yuan per one if you are buying 1000 pieces. Yes, the supplier can do that because I have actually done something like that before. So I was getting, I think 70 pieces. I can't really remember, but I think 70 pieces. Then I can't really remember the amount again because what I'm saying is like around 2 years ago. So I can't really remember. So let's just say I'm buying 70 pieces and the price is like, let's just say 20 yuan. Then I negotiate with the supplier. Then the supplier actually sold one for me for 16 yuan. So and I bought over 70 pieces. So you can actually like negotiate with supplier. That was one thing. Like negotiate, guys, because you see this price. These things are actually kind of expensive here. Yes, we see that it's very cheap. Like wow, just pound for 10 yuan. So 10 yuan is like, let's just say in naira now, that's like around 2000 naira. Let's just say 2122. So you are buying this quality pants here for like 2000 22. You're like, wow, it's very cheap, and you quickly buy. And I'm telling you that you see this price is still expensive because if you actually go to China and then you go to their factory, so you see this pants, they can actually be selling it for like 5 yuan and they are listing it here for 12 yuan. So always negotiate, guys, because when you negotiate, you will bring the price down. So that's just the advice I will give to you. So guys, the next thing that I also want to talk about is that, let's say we want to buy this product now, and you don't actually know like the quality of this product, you don't know the weight, the size and everything. So the easiest way you can use is that just like chat the supplier hub. So chat the supplier hub, and also just go to a product description. As you can see here, you see different sizes like centimeters and everything. So if you don't actually know about all these things, you can use ChatGPT to like tell you the ways, centimeter, how it look like or anything. Or you can just get all this table, all this like fashion designing table to check how it will look like and everything. And also another thing is that you can just message the supplier up and ask for product image, guys, like product video. So most supplier will send it to you. Yes, most supplier will send it to you. Some supplier might actually like tell you that they are not at work currently, but you just have to wait and just tell them that, oh, when you get to work tomorrow, just like send it to me, because time difference. Yes, our time is different, China and Nigeria or anywhere you are. So just check the time difference. So when you actually message them during the day, they might be at night sleeping, or they might just be at like in the morning, like early in the morning. So you get me? So just message them for product image, like video image, so that they can send it to you, so that you can actually use that to check the quality before purchasing, guys. So I think like that's just it for now. So I think if you just follow all the steps I just mentioned, you can actually look for a good supplier and you will never ever get scammed on 1688 again, or never, guys. You will never ever get scammed. So there's this myth that on 1688 all the suppliers are not good, like they will scam you. That is actually not true. You can get good supplier on 1688. In fact, 1688 is one of the best app. Yes, they sell the cheapest product, but you can also see the best supplier on 1688. In fact, I do ecom. So for people that don't know, I do ecom, and my best supplier is still on 1688. So I find my best supplier on 1688, and I'm still using the supplier till now to order my rich thing from the supplier. So that's just it, guys. So if you have any question at all, or anywhere you don't understand in this video, just drop a comment below, guys, and I'm going to be answering you. So thank you for watching another educative video. If you have learned one or two things in this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will appreciate your support. So thank you for watching and see you next time.